What is good, YouTube? It's Mark
and Haley
back with the Mercado channel. You know what time it is, man. Today we're actually recording a couple videos. First off, we're at our first location of the day. We're doing 4 boxes. That's it for Saturday. Because what are we doing today?
Dumpster dive.
Dumpster diving episode 2. You already know. Let's see what we find today. Hopefully we collect a lot of stuff we can sell, make some money. But like I said, we are at our first location, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Drop down any video ideas you guys may want to see, and we will do them. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Let's see what the first box is looking like. Hey. Okay, guys, it's looking pretty good. You already know it's looking pretty good. We sold a good amount of pops in there. We already know what time it is. Let's dive into location number 2. Let's go. Guys, 1K is approaching. What do you think we should do for a giveaway? 1K. What do you guys think? Drop down in the comment section. Oh, hey.
Hey.
Whoa, looks a little slow.
Yeah.
Hair salon didn't do that great, but it did decent. But you already know it's time to go to the 3rd, and then the 4th location, and then dumpster diving.
Yeah.
Don't go anywhere, guys. What's up, guys? We are at the 3rd location right now. Currently waiting on Haley to walk out that door right there. And then we're going to the 4th location, guys. So don't go anywhere. As always, like, comment, subscribe for more videos. There she comes.
Guess what?
What?
I saw people using your machine.
Woo, someone's using the candy machine, guys. That's good news. We do have a candy machine in this location, which is awesome. It's all about expanding your business, guys. Turn the honor boxes into candy machines. Turn those locations into bigger machines, guys, to increase your revenue and your income. We're off to the 4th location. MJ, say hi. Tinky tink. Hi, fat boy. Last location. Here she comes. How's it looking?
Looking good.
Looking good like you. We're at the last location. There it is. We finished up. That's gonna end it, right? Quick little 4-box collection from the Mercados. You already know how we do. All right, guys, I'm back home. I got the first box here that we collected. It's a little cafe spot here. We're gonna count up the pops and see how much we sold. So we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, we sold 27 pops. So we should have about $9 in the box. The question is always, is there gonna be $9 in this box? Crack it open. There's what it is. Bam. Let's count it up together. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8, guys, and $1 in theft. Now let's jump into box number 2. All right, guys, here we sold 31 pops. I'm expecting anywhere from $10 to about $11 on this bad boy. Let's crack it open. Whoa, I just dropped a lot of money. All right. So I picked up all the money that fell from the floor. That's what's in there. And as I always say, it's time to count it up. $10, guys. We got $10, about 50 cents in theft. So let's jump into box number 3. All right, guys, about 48 pops sold. So you guys should be able to do the math. Achoo!
Bless you.
Achoo!
Ew.
Sorry, guys, but I had to sneeze. I'm sorry. Should be about 16. There it is. Now let's count it up. $10 in bills, guys. $10 just in bills. Woo, let's throw it over there. $10 in bills. 11, 12, 13, 14. $14.37. Let's do it. Let's get into box number 4 and let's end it off in a good note. Box number 4, last one. Good amount of candy sold. We got 1, 2, about $3.50 left in the box. Should be about $26.50 in this bad boy. It's feeling heavy, but we'll see. You know how that goes. Pop it open. You guys ready for this? You guys ready? Wow! Look at all that money. I even got $1 stuck. And I'm dropping money. Oh my God. Let's count it up. $10 so far just in bills. And we still got more bills. $20, guys, so far just in bills. Still counting. $29 so far just in bills. $29. $32.20. Wow, that is crazy. Look at all that money in there. Oh my God. That is super crazy. That's going to end the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is the Mercado Nation, the Mercado channel. How could I forget? 4 boxes, we totaled $64.57. Sorry about that. You know I always got to give you the totals. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next one.
We out.
God bless. We out. Peace.